Hi, I'm Jasmine Butler, and I'm here to tell you about the effects child abuse has on adult survivors. Child abuse is committed by someone we know, whether it's your parents, a caregiver, a close relative, or even a family friend. People typically downsize child abuse to just a punch or a slap or even a whooping. Nowadays it's considered child abuse, but it's different forms of child abuse. You got sexual child abuse, you got physical child abuse, you got emotional child abuse, you got environmental abuse, you got developmental and educational abuse, as well as psychological abuse. But in America and across the world, something we forget to remember is that these children become adults, and they are still affected by child abuse. The child abuse that they endured during their childhood. Child abuse for these adults creates so many problems: post PTSD, anxiety, depression. It also causes them to become abusers to their children as well. During the developmental stage, when you're young, and I would say when the child is young and they have endured abuse, and the abuse is so severe, it could affect them. It could affect them greatly. It could cause them to become a feral child, meaning like it could affect their speech, their interpersonal skills, emotional their emotional abilities, their attachment. It could be so bad that they would have to be placed in institutions for the rest of their lives. But for some cases, once you become adults and you've endured child abuse, like I stated before, it has caused them to be abusers to their children. It even has caused women to be in domestic relationships because they've endured abuse when they were younger. So now that they're older, they're like, this is okay. Now, they have interventions to help them, such as group therapy, one-on-one therapy, rehabilitation, all kind of things. But for some cases, they use drugs and alcohol as a way to numb the pain of the abuse. But in closing, a lot of people forget that adult survivors still suffer from the abuse they endured as a child. It's okay to call and check on them to make sure they're okay, because you never know.